Okay, this 2012 F550. It's going to be a service truck for BHP Diamond Mines up in the Northwest Territories, Canada. This is just starting out of the deck. This gets a roll bar on it over the cab in case it rolls down into an open pit. The deck gets a small high-ab on the back with big cabinets in the front and hose reel cabinet, oxyacetylene, propane bottle, and roller bearing drawers on the driver's side. So this is just the starting of it anyways. Next procedure on here would be a roll bar, and then we'll proceed with the cabinets after that. I'll send out another video after I start on the cabinets.